Have you ever discovered a hidden treasure that transformed every aspect of your business? Stakam did just that with MRPeasy. Stakam, founded in 2016 in Scotland, specializes in custom chemical manufacturing, boasting nearly 40% growth last year. With established partnerships across continents, Stakam is pushing boundaries in the world of craft chemicals manufacturing. Managing Director Alistair Watson knew efficiency was essential. He sought manufacturing software that aligned perfectly with Stakam's flexible operations. After struggling with a complicated ERP system, Stakam turned to MRPeasy, which promised a streamlined approach that fit their needs. Understanding that simplicity drives success, they embraced MRPeasy's modular design for a smooth transition, fostering team adaptability. This cloud-based solution allowed for incremental feature rollout, enabling Stakam to adjust as their operational needs evolved. With the Xero integration, Stakam discovered the immense value of having synchronized accounting and manufacturing processes at hand. MRPeasy's adaptability shone through, helping Stakam manage complex manufacturing requirements, including contract manufacturing with varied raw materials. Ultimately, Stakam doesn't just see software, they've found a strategic ally driving their growth and operational success into the future.